is Shweta. This is our little princess Shreyanshi. After a lot of struggle for 6 years, finally we have blessed with our little angel Shreyanshi this year. She born on April 27th and she is now 7 months old. You guys already know, like, upbringing a kid is not an easy task, and due to this pandemic situation, we both alone needs to bring her all these months. Initially, it was a bit easy for us to handle because of this situation. He was doing work from home, and I was on maternity leave. But later on, while she was growing up day by day, and at around age of 4 to 5 months, it was a difficult task for us to engage her all the day. So then we came to know, like Hungry Brain, they have suggested us that you can introduce some flashcards to the baby so that they will get engaged in some task, and they will get introduced or habituated to the day-to-day things which we use in our house. So in that way we started Hungry Brain flashcards. But initially we were in a dilemma if she will be able to, or it will be a kind of stress to her brain at a very young age. And we had some instant, I guess, like while we are having fruits, he was having apple and I was having orange. She was looking at those fruits, and we were saying like, this is apple, this is orange. Then she tried to grab the fruits. Then we got an idea, like, okay, as she's grabbing the things right now, so let us make her identify the fruits which we use in our day-to-day life. So we have introduced her apple, orange, pineapple, papaya, which we used to have at our home, and she used to grab the things on giving the names. We already introduced only once, like, this is apple and this is orange, like that. Then one day she, while we were saying orange, she grabbed the orange and tried to bite that orange as well. So okay, this is the time to introduce her flashcards, it seems. Then at the end of 5.5 months, I guess. So we introduced her the flashcards. Slowly she was able to identify fruits, animals, and numbers, colors, and all. So we thought, like, only in flashcards she will be able to identify. Maybe she will not be able to identify in real images. So in that case, we used to show her animals which will be roaming on the roads, like dog, cows, and all. She was able to identify those animals in real life as well. And for colors, we tried with stacking rings firstly, and then we introduced balls. So slowly she identified that as well. And to her, that's a kind of great surprise for us. We have a toys which is a small giraffe, it kind of giraffe structure, not exactly giraffe how it look like. The colors also different, and we have not introduced in the flashcard the giraffe card, because I thought, like, initially we will introduce only 5 cards. So I didn't introduce. But finally, I was doing something, I was doing to her like giraffe and that. Then she used to grab that giraffe in the flashcard. So then I got that, oh okay, she identified that toy, and she imagined, okay, this is giraffe, and she identified. So that was the IQ level she has. So we were very proud to have a kid like this, and he supported me a lot in this kind of stuff. And our little angel, like, she used to think, and while giving the numbers 1 to 10, 11, 12 are kept aside, she was showing that numbers as well to show her. She wanted to practice that as well. So we thought, like, she has that much interest. And to our surprise, at around 3rd month, I guess, I was singing glories to make her sleep. At that time, she used to sing with me, like that, the tune which she used to do. So she has the interest in music as well. So after 1 year, while she used to talk a little more, then we thought we will make her learn music if she is interested at that age as well. And really, thanks for the International Book of Records for accepting our application. And it's a great honor to introduce our baby to the nation. Thank you so much.
Hope for the best. Thank you a lot.
1. Very good. 3. 3. 3. Very Very good. 9. 9. 9 పెట్టుకో. 9. 9. Very good. 8. Very good. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. Very good. Take hello. తీసుకో. Hello తీసుకో. Hello. Hello. తీసుకో. Hello. Very good. Green. Green తీసుకో. Very good. తీసుకో banana. Very good. Papaya. 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 తీసుకో. Take it. Papaya. Papaya. Chini. Chini. Papaya. 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 Very good. Lion. 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 Very good. Tiger. 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 Very good. Rabbit. 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 Very good. Monkey. 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 Very good. Dog. Wow, wow. Ow, ow, ow. Dog. 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 Very good. Kangaroo. Very good. Wait. Baby doll. Baby doll. Very good. Very good. Frog. Frog. Very good.